Is your YouTube feed stuck showing the same boring videos again and again? Mine was too, until I found this simple reset trick that completely refreshed my recommendations. First, open YouTube app, tap on your profile at the bottom right, then tap on settings icon at the top right. In settings, tap on manage all history. Once you are in history, you will see a list of everything you have watched. Click on delete drop down, then choose delete all time. YouTube will ask you to confirm. Go ahead and confirm the action. That's it, your watch history is now completely cleared. Go back to the YouTube homepage and refresh it. From now on, your recommendations will slowly reset and start adapting to what you actually want to watch next. That's it, your YouTube recommendations are reset. If this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe for more quick and useful tips.